Welcome back with another video, guys. I'm here with my new bird. So I have 4 budgies before and 2 cocktails. I'll sell them all. So I have this budgies and the blue and white, and the one is in the back over there, and I have this guy today. So he's the new bird today. Sorry, I was moving my camera, so I'm gonna stay here. Look at them. They are so cute. Can you speak? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, guys? What are you guys doing? Hello? Hello? Look at them. So cute. What are you doing? What are you doing? Have to pick up like this. One is in the back over there. Look at this guy. He's so cute. So that's the cage I showed you before. Subscribe this channel for more videos. So this one's for the big guy, and I have one in the back. That one's for the budgies. I'm gonna put some toys for them to play. If you guys wanna more videos on this channel, please subscribe the channel, like this video. I wanna get the Indian ring neck 1 month later. I already booked it, one Indian parrot. So I'm gonna pick it up after 1 month. So that one is still baby. Hand feeding. So that guy was doing the hand feeding for them. So he said, if you want to pick it up, I can pick it up today, but I don't want to bring it right now because it's still baby, like a hand feeding. So that one is like 45 days old. So maybe I'm gonna go next month to pick it up. Then I want to keep the one for with this guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Subscribe. Thank you.